Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing you the solution of API Gateway Quick Start. So before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing lab solution. Like the video and share the video to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. And I am happy to tell you about that we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. Let's get started. Click on the Start Lab button. Copy the password and open the Google Cloud Console in an incognito window. Now click on the Next button. Paste the password, then click on the Next button. Now click on I understand. Now tick the checkbox and click on Agree and Continue. Now activate the Cloud Shell by the option at given at the top of the window. Now expand the size of the shell. Now click on Continue. Now it will take few seconds for the Google Cloud Shell to be open. Now go back to the lab instruction. Scroll it down and come to the set the region. Copy this command from here. Go to the Cloud Shell, paste it, then press enter. Now click on authorize. Now minimize the size of the shell. Go to the lab instruction. Copy this API, Gateway API, and go to the Cloud Console. In the search bar, paste this text and click on the first option, API Gateway, or you can click on this third option, API Gateway API, Google Enterprise API. Now click on Enable button. So our required API has been enabled. Now we can move ahead. Just go back to the lab instruction. Come to the task 1 and copy the first command. Go to the Cloud Shell and increase the size of the shell and paste the command here. Then press enter. So it will clone a cloud function sample repository for us. So wait for a few seconds. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, go to the Cloud Shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the third command and go to the Cloud Shell, paste it, then press enter. So we get an error. So do not worry, go to the lab instruction here. They have clearly mentioned that if you receive an error, you can rerun the above command. So again copy the third command, go to the Cloud Shell and paste it, then press enter. Now again we get the same error. So we have to repeat the same procedure, copy the third command, go to the shell and paste it, then press enter. Now this time the command run properly. We doesn't get the previous error. So if you still getting that error, just rerun the command and your output should be like this. And now let the command to be run properly. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick here, just like this video. Now come to the task second and copy the first command. Go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the third command, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. So we get the green tick here. Now we have to create a API definition. For that, we will be copy this command, go to the cloud shell, paste it. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy this command. Now we have to copy and paste the content of the Open API in the newly created file. So we can go to the editor, click on Open Editor at the top, and you will be navigated to this type of interface. So where we have created that file, so expand the node.js dot. So even we can create that file. So we will be creating that file. So click on the create a new file. Now for the name, we will go back to the lab instruction and copy this name from here, open API to YAML, and go to the cloud shell and click on new file, paste it, then press enter. So our file has been created. Now copy this code from here, go to the cloud shell, paste the code here. Now for the save, you can use Ctrl+S, or you can do it by the going to the navigation menu, then file, then click on save button. So our file has been saved. Now moving ahead, click on the open terminal at the top. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the fourth command, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the fifth command, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instructions. Now we have to create a API gateway. So for that, minimize the size of the shell. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this API gateway from here and go to the cloud shell, remove the listed text. Now click on the first option and go back to the lab instructions. So we are doing our third task. Now click on the create gateway. Now select an API. You should click on the create new API. Now for the display name, you should copy this hello world API from here. Go to the cloud console, paste it in the display name, and for the API ID, go back to the lab instruction, copy this command from here, go to the cloud console, expand the shell, and in the shell run this command and then press enter. Now we get the API ID. So copy this API ID from here, minimize the size of the shell and paste it in the API ID. So this has been done. In the API configuration, you have to select a configuration to the create a new API configuration, and for uploading a API specification, expand the cloud shell. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the fourth command, go paste it, then press enter. Now click on download and the required file will be downloaded on your system. Now go to the download and click on save button. So our file has been downloaded. Now just minimize the size of the shell, click on browse. Now go to the download and select the downloaded file. Now for the display name, now go back to the lab instruction and copy this hello world configuration from here. Go to the cloud console and in the display name paste this text. Now for select a service account, click on it, and computer engine default service account should be selected. Now again for the gateway detail, for the display name, go back to the lab instruction, copy this hello gateway from here and go to the cloud console, paste it in the display name. Now for the location, we have to select our location. So go back to the lab. So my location is US East 1. Your location might differ. You have to select according to your location. So I will select US East 1. Now just click on the create gateway. Now it will take about 5 to 10 minutes for the creation of the gateway operation. So we have to wait for that. If you have any additional doubt that we have left in this video, you can comment to this video and you can check the creation of gateway from here from clicking on the bell icon. Now I will catch you ahead of this video when the creation of the gateway will happen. So our gateway, hello gateway has been created. Just click on it. So go back to the lab instruction, and from here just click on the check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick here, just like this video. Now we will be testing our API deployment. Just copy this first command, go to the Cloud Console, expand the size of the Cloud Shell, and then click on cross and paste the command here, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, go to the Cloud Shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the third command, go to the Cloud Shell, paste it, then press enter. So we get the output of the hello world. That means our system is working correctly. Now we can move ahead, go back to the lab instruction. Now we will be doing our task for securing access by using an API key. For that, go back to the Cloud Console and minimize the size of the shell. Go to the navigation menu, and from the navigation menu, go to the API and services. Now click on the credentials. Now we will be creating the credential. For that, just click on the create credential at the top, then select API key. Now our API key has been created. So just click on cross. Now go to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Now for the fourth step, we have to replace the copied API key. So just copy this fourth command, go to the Cloud Shell, expand the size of the shell, and paste the command here. Now we have to replace with copied API key. Just remove it out till the equal to sign, and then click on show key. Now copy this your API key from here and click on close. Now paste it here by Ctrl+V, then press enter. Now again go to the lab instruction. Now copy the first command, go to the Cloud Console, expand the size of the shell and paste the command, then press enter. So again go to the lab instructions, copy the second command, go to paste it, then press enter. Now again, so we get the output of finished successfully, that our API is working correctly. Now we have to modify the Open API specification to leverage API key security. For that, we have to add the security type or security definition to a new file. So this file we have created. So we will be downloading this file. So for that, downloading this file, just copy the fourth command from here, go to the Cloud Shell, paste it, then press enter. So does not exist, we have to create. For the creation, just click on the open editor at the top. So this is the file we have created previously. Now we will be creating the new file. For that, copy this open API to function to YAML and go to the editor. Now in the student 04 this type of ID, just click on the new file, then paste it, then press enter. So again go back to the lab instruction. Now copy this code from here, go to the cloud console, paste it. Now for the saving this file, just press Ctrl+S, or you can do it manually by going to the navigation menu, then file, then click on the save button. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now copy this command from here. Now go to the cloud console. Now click on the open terminal, and here click on the now paste the command here, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction. Now copy this command from here, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Just click on the download button and the function to save button, save button, save button, save button, save button. Click on the save button. So our file will be saved in our this system. Now moving ahead, we have to create and deploy a new API configuration to our existing gateway. So we have to open the API gateway page. For that, minimize the size of the shell. Now in the search bar, you have to type API gateway, then click on the first option, and we get our previously created Hello World API. Just click on it. Now go to the gateway section. Now select Hello Gateway. Now at the top you get the option for editing the feature. Just click on the edit. Now under the API configuration, you have to select create a new API configuration. Click on it. Now click on create a new API configuration. And now for the browse option, just click on it, the browse option, and then go to the download and select the secondly file stored in your system, that is OpenAPI to function 2.yaml. Then click on open. So that file will be stored in the location. Now we have for the display name, go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down and copy this hello configuration from here and go to the cloud console, paste it in the display name. Now for the service account, we have to select the Qwiklabs user service account. So click on the Qwiklabs user service account. Now just click on the update option at the last. So it is showing that gateway is editing. So you can check your progress by clicking on the bell icon. Click on the bell icon. Now it is updating the gateway. It will take like 4 to 5 minutes. We have to wait for that. I will catch you ahead of this video when the updation of the gateway will be successfully done. So our gateway, hello gateway is successfully updated. Just click on the updated gateway. Now go back to the lab instruction, go click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick here, remember that just like this video. Now moving ahead, we will be testing the call using your API key. For that, copy this command, go to the cloud console, cross it out. Now expand the size of the shell and paste the command, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. So please test Hello World Gateway API along with the API key to be created with the desired. So we have to. So it will take time for the creation of for the updation of your progress. Just click on check my progress until you get a green tick here. So we get a green tick here. Congratulations, you have completed this lab. Those who have completed this lab with me, just comment completed to this video so that we get an idea how many students are watching this video for the knowledge gaining. Now if there is any additional doubt that we left in this video, just let us know in the comment box. Like the video and share the video to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. This is all about this video. Remember that we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. And this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.